Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Brivity CRM step by step. We'll cover lead management, pipeline tracking, marketing automation, and follow-up tools so you can optimize your real estate sales process and increase conversions. Brivity is designed to help you close more deals, nurture leads, and maybe even have a little fun along the way. If you are tired of juggling spreadsheets, sticky notes, and that dreaded inbox chaos, this CRM is about to become your best friend. Let's dive into how to make the most of this powerhouse platform. The first time you log into Brivity, you'll be greeted by a sleek, user-friendly dashboard that's designed to make you feel like you are piloting the control center of a real estate empire. Think of it like your digital command center, whether all your business essentials live in one place. Whether you are managing contacts, tracking tasks, keeping up with transactions, or even designing marketing materials, everything is within reach. No more running around your office trying to find that client's phone number. It is all right here. From this dashboard, you can see at a glance your tasks, leads, and other important metrics. It is like having a mini meeting with yourself every time you open it, minus the awkward silence. Lead management turn contacts into clients. Brivity is excellent at helping you manage leads. Lead management isn't just about keeping a list of names and emails. It is about nurturing those leads until they become clients, and ultimately, sales. Brivity's automated lead response and nurture programs make sure that no lead goes unnoticed. You can set up automated workflows, called smart plans, that instantly trigger emails, texts, and reminders for follow-ups. It is like having an ever-vigilant assistant that doesn't sleep ever, unless, of course, you ask it to. For example, let us say you get a new lead from a website. The moment they fill out the form, Brivity can send an instant thank you message, followed by a personalized email and even a text within minutes. All the work that usually takes up your precious time is automated. Plus, Brivity's system helps you identify the hot leads, so you know who to prioritize, taking the guesswork out of your follow-up routine. Smart Plans automation that works for you. Speaking of automation, Smart Plans are one of Brivity's standout features. These automated workflows are designed to streamline your entire lead management process. You can create a plan for nearly every scenario, whether it is a new lead, a past client, or a referral. These plans can automatically send texts, emails, and even set up tasks for you to follow up on. It is like having a personal assistant who knows exactly when you need to do what and keeps you on track. Here's a fun example. Let us say you've got a new listing and you want to send follow-up emails and reminders to your team. Instead of manually typing out emails, setting reminders, and figuring out what to send, you can create a smart plan that does all this for you. You can even personalize the messages so that every client feels like they are receiving a tailored experience. Reporting and analytics. Know your numbers. Brivity doesn't just help you track your leads, it also helps you understand how well your business is performing. With its detailed reporting and analytics features, Brivity provides you with real-time insights into your sales pipeline, team activities, and business performance. It is like having your own personal business analyst that knows exactly how to help you grow. The platform helps you track key metrics such as how many leads you have generated, how many calls you have made, and how many deals have been closed. You can also set goals for yourself and monitor your progress, ensuring that you are always on target. Just imagine being able to look at your dashboard and instantly know if you are on track for the month's sales goals. With Brivity, that level of insight is right at your fingertips. Brivity AI-wide. Content creation made easy. We all know that writing emails, texts, and social media posts can be time-consuming. And let's be real, sometimes coming up with a perfect way to say, "Let's talk about this property," can be more challenging than it sounds. But Brivity's AI write tool takes the guesswork out of content creation. It is like having your own personal copywriter who is available 24/7. With Brivity AI Write, you can quickly create emails, follow-up texts, and other content that sounds personal and professional. Just type a few keywords or sentences and let Brivity's AI turn them into full-fledged messages. It is fast, it is easy, and it helps you stay consistent with your communication. You can save time and send out high-quality content to your clients and leads without breaking a sweat. Transaction management, streamlining the process. Streamlining the process. Managing a transaction is no easy task. There are tons of moving parts, from negotiating the contract to scheduling inspections and coordinating with mortgage brokers. Things can get chaotic quickly. Brivity's transaction management tools are designed to bring order to the madness. You can keep track of every detail in the life cycle of a transaction, from pre-listing all the way to closing. With Brivity, you can assign tasks, track progress, and automate notifications. If you need to remind someone about an upcoming inspection or schedule a meeting with a client, the system sends the reminder for you. This automation not only saves you time but ensures that no detail gets overlooked. Think of it as your own transaction manager, only without the need for an extra paycheck. Marketing tools, promoting listings like a pro. Let us face it, the real estate business is all about marketing. Brivity understands this, which is why it offers a suite of marketing tools to help you promote your listings effectively. From eye-catching flyers to social media posts and even video marketing, Brivity's Design Center has you covered. You can create beautiful, branded materials without needing a design degree. Want to post a new listing on Instagram? There is a template for that. Need a flyer for an open house? No problem. Brivity's marketing tools make it easy. Stay ahead of the competition and promote your properties like a pro. And the best part? It is all integrated with your CRM, so your marketing efforts stay in sync with your lead management. Integrations, connecting all your tools. Chances are you are using multiple tools for your business: email, calendars, task managers, etc. Brivity understands the importance of keeping things connected, which is why it offers integrations with other platforms like Google Calendar, MailChimp, and more. These integrations allow you to streamline your workflow and ensure that everything works together seamlessly. Instead of logging into multiple tools and platforms, you can integrate them into Brivity, making your life a whole lot easier. This all-in-one integration approach means you spend less time switching between apps and more time focusing on what matters: closing deals. Tips for maximizing Brivity CRM. Customize your smart plans. Don't just use the default plans. Tailor them to fit your business needs. Create workflows that match your communication style. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Brivity CRM to manage your real estate pipeline and improve your conversion rates. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical real estate, business, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.